welcome to the Hydro Garden TV channel. In this brief video we will look at VitaLink Hydrate. VitaLink Hydrate aids with protection of plants against drought conditions. It also helps to strengthen the root and facilitates storing sugars. Hydrate is perfect for plants being grown without constant attention, or if there is any risk of interruption to the water or nutrient supply. Make sure VitaLink Hydrate is incorporated from the very start of growth in order to help plants through any periods of water stress. Hydrate is available in 250ml and 1 litre bottle sizes. For information on VitaLink, please visit our website, Facebook and Twitter social media pages. Thanks for watching, see you next time.